The first thing you have to do is get your pattern paper and determine how much paper you want, then cut out. Then after cutting your paper, you're going to fold it at the center once. This is going to be the first fold. So as you can see, I'm just making my first fold. And if your paper is rolling out like me, you can use some weights. You can use your scissors or anything that can add weight to the paper, onto the paper. So this is my first fold. Then next I'm going to make another second fold at the center. So let me just remove my weights and make a second fold. So this is my second fold. Okay, so next I'm going to find my radius that I'm going to put here. So the formula for the radius is waist circumference divided by 6.28. So whatever, place the measuring tape around your waist and divide it by 6.28. Then whatever you find, you're going to mark it right here with your measuring tape. So just mark and keep rotating your measuring tape and marking. Keep rotating and marking. Keep rotating and marking. Okay, so that is my radius. I'm going to cut it out with my pair of scissors. So if you'd love to watch the half circle skirts, I have it linked in the description box. You can check it out. So this is my full circle skirt pattern. Then next, after cutting out the radius, we're going to determine the full length of the skirt by placing the measuring tape from the cut out waist radius. Then I'll keep rotating and marking my full length, as you can see. Keep rotating and marking. Keep rotating and marking. I'm going to connect the points. Then I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and show you how beautiful the circle skirt pattern looks. So this is the beautiful circle skirt pattern, and it looks like a circle. So that's where the name full circle skirt pattern comes from. So if you want to cut your zip allowance, you just have to get your pair of scissors and cut out the zip allowance. Let me just cut it out for you. So that is the zip allowance. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.